Kia ora, ko Jeremy aka Tātere Ahau, ko hau te rangatira o te whare.
No. No. Kia ora, ko Terina hau, ko au te mama o te whare.
Kia ora, ko te uaki aho.
Kia ora, ko maurua hau.
A ko Cena tēnei. Kia ora tātou. Another great day. So we've decided let's get out of the house and let's take Cena for a walk. Let's see how this goes. Hi, Cena. Kia ora uaki.
Kia ora.
What's up, Machi?
He aha?
What's up, Machi?
Kia ora.
Kia ora, Machi.
Look down slowly in the bed.
It's cool, eh?
Yeah.
Cool. Kua ngenge a Cena. Toia. Kua ngenge a Cena.
Take lockdown as an opportunity to spend time with your whānau and reflect and appreciate everything that you have. Be grateful that we are alive, healthy and happy, because you'll never get this opportunity again.
So we've just reached 10 days of lockdown, and for me personally it probably took about 7 days to realise that this is happening and there was nothing anyone could do to change it, and also to accept that we're going to be in a minimum of 28 days lockdown. And, despite all of the first world problems and all of the little moans and groans, we're really loving it. We are really loving the time that we're able to spend together.
Maranga, morena, kia ora.
Oh, kia kahua ke.
Guess what? You get to fold all of that.
Nah.
Yes.
Ka pai mai, kua mā te whare paku.
Cena the no brother.
Looking professional up top. Not so professional down bottom.
Kei te aha koe mai.
OCD.
Mauru's still trying to get the PlayStation controller. Kia kaha, Mauru.